And we're back to CapCut. Let me show you how I can create a profile effect. I'm going to use an image, but it's also going to work on video. At first I've resized this to 16:9, and then I size up the image, and I've said you can do the same for footage, to drag it a little bit down. Then I copy it, Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V. Copy on top is selected, and I go to cutout and use auto cutout. It's going to get rid of the background. Then I go back to the bottom one and let me make the top one invisible. I add a mask with a circle. I want to position it that the head is a little bit cut off, and I want to find the center. So I have to move this a little bit to the right, I would say. The nose should be where this dotted dashed line is, and then the face should be somewhat in center. Let's go to the top one again and add a circle here too. I'll position it right there, and this gives us the top of the head back. Now we want to add a frame. Let us go to Library and Media. And I just use a white background. So I click on the plus sign for this white element. I'll put it below my two clips of the model. And now I give this a circle mask as well, and I have to resize and reposition that until I have a good frame. Let me resize my two model clips a little bit so that they all have the same length. Now I add the background, I'll make it reddish, should be at the bottom, rotate it, resize it. In principle, you can also add under canvas style effects or color effects and recolor that. Just pick something that you want. But this is a general method to create this profile effect.